In this video, I'll show you how to delete a credit card from Shopify. First, log in to your Shopify admin using an account that has permission to manage billing. Then go to Settings and open Billing. This is where Shopify stores your billing profile, payment methods, invoices, and subscription charges. Once you're in the billing area, look for the section that shows your saved payment methods. Find the credit card you want to remove. Usually, there will be a menu button next to it, such as 3 dots or a small action icon. Click that, and you should see the option to delete or remove the card. Before you do that, there's one important thing to know. Shopify normally will not let you remove your only billing payment method. So if the card you want to delete is your main or only card on file, you'll likely need to add another payment method first. If that's your situation, click the option to add or replace your payment method. Enter the new card details carefully, save them, and make sure the new card is active before going back to the old one. Once the replacement is in place, you should be able to delete the old card without any issue. After deleting the card, review the billing page one more time to confirm the correct card is still on file and the store has an active backup for future charges. This is important because failed billing payments can create bigger problems later, including account restrictions or store freezing. Also remember that your Shopify billing card is separate from the payment methods your customers use at checkout. Customer payment options are managed in Settings and Payments, not in the Billing section. So the full process is simple. Open Billing, add a replacement card if needed, remove the old one, and confirm the update is complete. That's how to delete a credit card from Shopify. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.